Good morning, Year 2. This week's phonics lesson, we're going to look at the sound shin. We pronounce it as shin, although it's spelled with a s, e, o, and an n. It's shin. So our first words are not related to the shin sound, but it is just words that you should know. It's f, e, s, t. First. The word is first. First. So when you're putting your hand like this, you're making a fist. Best. So best. Best. You are the best in the class, or we say she's my best friend. Then you have a, k, action. So occasion. When you have a birthday party or a wedding or any kind of function, we say it's an occasion, a special occasion. Your birthday is a special occasion. If someone's getting married, we say it's a wedding, a special occasion of a marriage. Then division. So you're breaking it up like that. Division. When in maths we have a division sign. That is a division sign when you are dividing a number. So for example, 4 divided by 2. So your answer would be 2, because you're dividing it by 2. That's called division. Then revision. So when we revising our work, when we are studying for a test, we are doing revision. Or if we're going over a topic that we have learned, and I'm repeating the topic that you have learned, it's called revision. You're doing a revision on that topic. Our next word is invasion. Okay? Invasion. So invasion. So the shin is actually, you can also pronounce it as z. So it's the two sounds that you're actually pronouncing, a sh or a z. So invasion, zin. So it's actually, you pronounce it as invasion. Now invasion is when somebody enters your property without permission. They're invading your privacy, or they're invading your house, or if like an army wants to go to war, they invade the country that they're fighting with, so they call it invasion. So more an intrusion, you are intruding. Invasion, you are invading that space. Our next word is explosion. Something that explodes. So if there's an explosion, gas, the cylinder starts leaking, it's set on fire, an explosion will happen. A big boom, an explosion. So you break it up, explosion. Television. I'm sure all of you know what this word means. It's the television, the TV that you watch every day. It's called television. In short, we call it a TV, but it's actually called television. Then we have fraction. Now this fraction is just, it's not based with this sound. It's a sound that we learned the week before, the shin sound, but it's just a word that you have to know in maths. We use, we will look at fractions. Later on, in year 3, you'll learn fractions, about fractions. When we say half, that is called a fraction. Half a liter, 3/4 of a liter, 3/4 is a fraction, 1/4 is a fraction. We call these fractions, okay, 1/2. So you have, for example, a circle, and you cut this in half. We say that this is half of a circle. If I cut it again in 4s, this would be 1/4 of the circle, or 1/4 of the pie. If I cut it again, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 1/6 of the pie. So that is called fraction. And last word is estimate. Estimate. So that is when you estimate a number. For example, if I ask you, estimate what number would come between 5 and 9. Estimate any number between those, between 5 and 9. So you can estimate which one is the halfway mark, or if I say estimate what is the halfway mark between 5 and 9. So what is in between that halfway mark? Estimate what that number is. Those are the words. So let's go through it again. I know you might find it difficult, these words, but if you break it up, you'll be able to know it well. So our first word was fist, veist, beest, occasion, division, revision, invasion, explosion, television, fraction, and estimate. That's your phonics lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.